Friends, Arvind, Akhil, Ayushi, Saxena, please shake your mics, please. Can you hear me? Please shake your mics, please. We are waiting for us to join. Ayushi, Akhil, please shake your mics, please. Hope you are ready with your notes.
Yes, we can able to hear you.
This is a demo class for me, not for you. Let's get started now. We are very new to the subject, right? We'll start from the scratch. Yes, please. Friends, please wait. Friends, please hold on. Yes, friends, I assume we're all very, very new to the subject. Okay, we'll start from the scratch carefully. So, refresh. Please wait, friends. Please wait. Please hold on for 1 minute, friends. We'll start our session. Please wait. Pallavi, Priya, please check your mic. I could see you join just now. Ayushi, I cannot hear you, madam. Please check your mic.
Yes, sir. So now can you?
Hi, madam. Yep, thank you. 1 minute, friends. We'll start. Please wait. You'll receive it. Okay. Just wait. It's okay. No problem. Yes, friends, we'll start our session. So I assume we're all very new to database, right? Yes, please confirm. Yes, perfect. So how many hours you can practice per day, please, everyone? 2 hours. If you practice for 2 hours, I'll be the happiest person on this earth, really. Minimum 1 hour, everyone, please. Minimum 1 hour. Yes, perfect. And our class will be like this. Okay, observe carefully. Start now. So the classes would be like this. Today we'll have a small introduction. Assignment. Tomorrow installation. Interview questions. Answers. Again SQL basics. Interview questions. Answers. This way, for every concept, every day, you have assignments. Yes, everyone. Are we ready? Please. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. Throughout the course. So minimum 1 hour we need to practice every day. Submit your assignments on email and get my answers back on email. Weekly, at least once we'll be having assignment in the class as well. Additionally, let's get started slowly. Let's understand what is database, what is SQL, what is our job role. Let's get started now. I could see if you attendees join bit late. Raja M, do you hear me, please? Raja M, Midun Atota, please shake your mic, please. Raja M, please check your mic, please. Cannot hear
Yeah,
you.
and yeah, and this
Perfect, I
is
can hear
Mithun.
you. Thank you. Yes, Mithun, can you hear me, please, Mithun?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
able
sir.
to hear you.
Thank you. Pallavi Priya, please check your mic, please. Pallavi Priya, please check your mic, please. I'll wait. Pallavi, cannot hear you, sister. Please check your mic. Let's get started now. This is Sai Upanindra from SQL School, and I would be the trainer here. I will be the only one at our school. Okay. I don't have any plans for other trainers and all. I don't want to make it a Muri mixer. Okay, we are fine with it. Okay, we are fine with it. Let's get started slowly, step by step. Let's understand slowly what is database, what is SQL, and why, what, how to proceed with our actual job role. Database, a platform to store. Don't write anything right now. If in case you are ready with your observation notes, a paper and a pen, write only the bold letter items, only the keywords enough. I'll provide you the complete document anyway. You'll take a print copy of it after the class today. Let's get started now. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured. Now you should get a question by now. Why we are going for database? We can even store the data in Excel or PDF also, right?
Huge amount of data we can store.
Yes, huge amount of data. Anything else, please? Let's interact, please. Let's interact. It's not academic learning, right? It's our life. Different type of data can be like QR codes, barcode scans, everything we can store, like passwords. We cannot store all those in Excel, right? See, Excel we can store our names, address, etc. What about our bank passwords? I cannot publicize in Excel directly. I can make them public, right? In database, we can store any type of data, any amount of data. That's the power of database. Okay. Anything else? Any other advantage of database, please? First answer correct. Any type of data. Any other example? Any other reason why to go for database? I'm giving a clue. Okay. Throughout our course, my questions will always have answers on the screen. My questions will always have answers on the screen. Okay. Throughout the course, try to identify them carefully. Any amount of data. Yes.
Store the state.
Yes. If it is Excel or PDF, we can only store limited amount of data, right? MBs, few MBs or few GBs. If it is database, we can store terabytes of data. Getting it now? What's the first advantage? Any type of data. Second advantage, any amount of data. Third advantage, it is more secure. Assume, for example, one of our later classes, mostly by early next week, will come across something called views concept. Okay, there is something called views concept very soon. In views concept, we'll understand one scenario like this. Our university database, computer staff members will be able to see computers data, and robotics or civil staff members will be able to see their data, but admin will be able to see all data. We cannot do this kind of things in Excel, right? Getting it or not? In Excel, once I share you the file, you'll be able to see all cells, isn't it? But database, you see your data, I see my data, or manager can see all data. Getting it now? So database make these things easier. These are practical real life scenarios. Understanding? What's the first advantage, please? Why to go for database? What's the first advantage? Any type of data. Second example, second item, any amount of data. Third one, more secured. You access your data, I access my data. Our admin can access all data. And to operate on Excel, we need a software, right? Isn't it? Like MS Office. To operate on database, we need a software called DBMS. What is that? DBMS, Database Management System. Remember, DBMS is a software you'll be receiving on email. Another 10 minutes, you'll receive an email today. That email contains the software download links. You'll download the software into your laptops, get them ready. Tomorrow, we are going to install together. Getting it now? Yes. You will join the course only after installations. Without installations, what we'll do? You got the point now? Getting it now? Our team will be happily, smilingly proceeding for the registrations only after installations. Let's do that way. Happy learning, right? We keep going for new batches every week, new timings, no problem. No problem, okay? So if not this batch, you are ready for next batch, let it be, no problem at all. But make sure we are having the installation with us. Then we can happily proceed. I repeat again, what we need to do from tomorrow, play with databases. For that, what we need? DBMS. What is DBMS? Database Management System. It's a software to store, secure, manage databases. Example DBMS, SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, Ingress, Postgres, like this. Different brands from different companies. And SQL Server, it is one such brand, DBMS brand from Microsoft company, cheaper, easy to use, free technical support and free updates. What is this? For example, install your WhatsApp. Okay, install your WhatsApp. Updates are free of cost, right? Isn't it? Facebook updates are free, app updates are free, right? There are few apps wherein you want an update, we need to pay for it separately, like Salesforce, SAP, etc. The beauty of Microsoft technologies, it is free updates so that we can enjoy new features. So it is cheaper and free updates. I repeat again what we are learning on the screen. Please have a look at the things on the screen carefully. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured. DBMS is a software we are going to install tomorrow. You'll be receiving the download links in another 7 to 10 minutes today. For what? To store, secure, manage databases. Different companies came with different brands of DBMS in the market. One such famous brand, SQL Server. Why? Cheaper, easy to use, free technical support and free updates. In olden days, Oracle used to be on top. Because of cloud, cheaper cloud, Azure came into limelight. Azure, Microsoft Cloud. Along with Azure, SQL Server market came into limelight. Getting it now? We have both. We have Oracle course, Microsoft course, but we usually get more number of registrations for Microsoft course. As simple as that. We have both anyway, as per our website. Now, with this information, very important, why we are meeting today? Not only to understand the basics of database, but also to understand our job roles, what we do at our job desk. To understand that, this slide is very important for us. Types of databases. OLTP databases, online transaction processing database. What is this? To store live real-time data. Observe carefully. To store live real-time data like a live cricket match, online banking, live online reservation. Anything else? Think.
Scores. Live scores.
Live cricket match. Anything else? Online banking, online reservation. Think. See, it's not like, okay, you tell, I see. No. I'm not your professor. No. I'm your colleague. Please. Live cricket match. Stock market activities, online reservation, stock market, live cricket match, and anything else, live online banking activities or live election results, anything live, OLTP. And there is a job role only for OLTP called SQL development. SQL developers will be involved in design of the showrooms, databases. Other one we have data warehouse, okay, to store old historical data, old temperature data, old stock market activities, anything old like a godown. And data engineers will be responsible for data warehouse. SQL developers job role, OLTP. Data engineer job role, data warehouse. From data warehouse comes data science, AI, machine learning. All those would be starting from data warehouse. Remember that. For example, let's think practically. Two examples. Number one, live cricket match, OLTP. From there, all data would be in a warehouse. We see analytics, right? Suddenly climate changes, we see predictions, isn't it? Predictions are nothing but forecast. Forecast is nothing but again data science only. Chances to win, chances to lose, like and ductless loss, etc., etc. They call it. Another example, banking, ongoing transactions, past statements, and they calculate my loan repaying capacity, and accordingly they approve my loan amount, right? Without my bank statement, they cannot give me bank loan, right? Isn't it? Getting it or not? I mean to say, friends, observe carefully here, okay? Very, very important. In real world environment, there are 7 parts of data implementation. First part we are taking now, to step into ML, machine learning, to step into BI, Power BI, to step into AI, this is artificial intelligence, AI, real-time operational reporting, AI reporting. We need database. This is our course. From there, we have something called ETL and data warehouse. I repeat, OLTP. In between, we have something called ETL, extract, transform, load. Okay, OLTP, extract, transform, load, called ETL. From there, data warehouse. From data warehouse only, we have Power BI, machine learning, etc., etc. There is one, this is called Databricks we call, right? Okay, Databricks we call. This Databricks is not our course, but our data would be utilized by Databricks. Now, what is Databricks? Here it is. Databricks and lot of other technologies will be using whatever databases we do in real world. It's all about AI, machine learning, etc. Here it is, just in case to make it clear. Okay, I'll just put this way. Yes, on my screen, just wait for a few moments. I think they removed this diagram. There is one diagram. Just wait for a few moments, okay? There is one healthcare database project diagram, actually nice, meaningful one. They removed it, I think. Please wait. Anyway, let's refer to this one. I downloaded the diagram anyway. I'll show you now. I'll show you. What is it we are talking about? We are talking about the relation between OLTP and data warehouse. How they are related? Very simple and straight on my screen now. This one. OLTP left, data warehouse right. From there comes data analyst positions, reporting, BI developer, OLAP, data science, deep learning, data mining. This is the actual concept. From there we have job roles. So data engineers will be involved in ETL and data warehouse. Data analysts will be involved in reporting activities. For everyone, the common base is database. So database concepts first, data engineer and ETL next. I repeat once again on my screen, the final slide. We'll take database concepts from tomorrow. From there, we'll proceed for either developer, engineer, analyst, or administration. Please have a look at it carefully. Okay, to make it clear, you'll be receiving one notes today on email. Please take a print copy of the notes on my screen now. Okay, so here we go. Just wait for a few moments. Yes, here it is, database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data in a secured, faster, organized format. Basic types of databases: OLTP, online transaction processing database, to store live data, real-time data like live temperature. Data warehouse, to store historical data like old temperature data or past cricket match data, etc. OLAP databases, online analytical processing database, like predictions and forecast activities like weather forecast. From here comes job responsibilities. SQL developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. Example, live cricket match, stock market activities, online banking, etc. That is SQL developer job role. I said coding, right? 100% coding. How the code would be, let me show you, just to get some idea. If it is SQL programming, the separate 1 month course only for SQL programming, and the code would be looking like this, in this way. I'll show you. Okay, if you are fond of programming, you can definitely join this 1 month course, SQL coding part. This one, the complete project, 3000 lines of code, like this. It will be in this way. What is this? OLTP development activities we call a bank database, 3000 lines of code. Or other one, data engineering, responsible for design of data warehouse databases. What I said earlier, ETL, data warehouse. Remember this, please, everyone, please be with me. Okay, see here, I'll show you. Okay, this one, database, ETL, data warehouse, right? Isn't it? See there carefully. Based on that, we have examples in our data engineering course, and they look like this. I'll show you. In our data engineering course, we have those examples like this. For example, let's say here, this one, source, ETL, data warehouse. Getting it now? Something like this. Data warehouse, DWH means data warehouse. So source, ETL, data warehouse, like this. Next, other one, we have something called data analysts. It's all about reports, dashboards. Coming to data analysts, technically, you have examples on Excel and Power BI. Basic level data analysts, examples for Excel and Power BI, part of our classes. When it comes to experience profiles, like this, I'll just show you this one. Like this. SQL can be used to report data for Excel and Power BI. Non-database sources are exclusively for Power BI. So these kind of reporting activities are a part of data analyst job role. SQL developers, OLTP. Data engineers, data warehouse design development, cloud computing, ETL, etc. Data analysts are responsible for what? Reports, design activities. These are the 3 common job roles. From here, we are going to do installation tomorrow and then start with SQL, a communication platform to operate on any database. Then slowly we'll proceed for MS SQL by next week classes. SQL first, a communication platform to operate on any database. MS SQL next, a variant of SQL, a type of SQL to store, manage databases in Microsoft SQL Server. Observe carefully. To store, manage and maintain Microsoft SQL databases. What's the difference? Difference between mobile and iPhone. What we say? iPhone is a brand of mobile, right? Windows is a brand of OS, isn't it? Same way, MS SQL is a Microsoft brand of SQL. Getting it? Very simple. Mobile and iPhone, what's the difference? iPhone is an Apple brand of mobiles. Same way, MS SQL and SQL brand of Microsoft. Same way, we have other SQLs as well, like Postgres SQL, NoSQL, Sybase SQL, etc. etc. Hundreds of types of SQLs are there. We are into SQL concepts this week. Then start with MS SQL slowly from next week. Observe carefully. I repeat again like this. SQL to talk to any database. A variant of SQL, a type of SQL exclusively used for Microsoft SQL Server. We have MS SQL, also called TSQL. From here, tomorrow, we'll slowly start with DBMS software. Okay, we'll do slowly one by one. So please help me now. What are the technical terms we learned so far today? Please help me. Yes, what are the technical terms we learned so far today? Help me please, I'll wait. Firstly, we learned what is database, right? Isn't it? Yes, firstly we learned what is database. Next, exactly. First, what is database? Then what is DBMS? Next, come on please, I'll wait. Next, yes. So here it is. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secure. Types of database: OLTP, online transaction processing database for developers. Data warehouse for data engineers. OLAP, online analytical processing database for BI developers. Reports, data analyst job role. Management and repairs, DBAs. What is DBMS? Database management system. A software to design, manage databases like SQL Server, IBM DB2, Ingress, Postgres, like this. So what is SQL Server? A DBMS from Microsoft, cheaper, easy to use, free tech support and free updates. Okay, from here, various versions of iPhone like iPhone 12, 13, 14, etc. Same way, various versions of SQL Server, 2022 version, 2019 version, 2017, 16, etc. Various editions of SQL Server like Developer Edition, Evaluation, Express. These three are free demo pieces. Developer is lifelong free demo. Evaluation 6 months trial. Lifelong free 6 months trial. Express lifelong free but mainly for students, academic activities. Universities and colleges, academic learning, we use Express. Go with developer or evaluation, you will be given the software download links today. In real world, we use enterprise, data center, standard, anyone. In our classes, we'll be using enterprise evaluation. After we do installation tomorrow, from day after tomorrow, we'll start SQL, practicing SQL first. Then slowly step into MS SQL by next week classes. With this, we'll stop for now. Item 1 to 8, any questions, let me know. And you'll be receiving the download link now. Please download the software, get it ready for tomorrow's class, please. Questions, please.